Well, this is kind of cool. So, in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the new Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation because this card has a limit of up to $100,000 and it is accessible to you even if you have bad or fair credit. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you are to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to speak to you about the new Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. And this is a card that is great. And I just want to quickly say that, folks, this show is purely educational. We have no association, no affiliation with Bank of America. They have not paid us to do this show, okay? This is purely informational. So the card I'm speaking to you today about is an unsecured credit card, and co-signing is possible. Authorized users are possible. Limit of up to $100,000. The credit score recommended 675 to 850, but Bank of America can go as low as 550 in terms of Fico score if you have a multi-product relationship with Bank of America. I'll explain that later on. So with this card, you can earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, no limits on the amount of cash back you can earn, and cash rewards do not expire. So you have a $200 online cash rewards bonus offer. So after making at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening, low intro APR offer for your first, and the intro APR is 0%, okay, for your first 15 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made within 60 days of opening your account. So after that, a variable APR that is currently 13.99% to 23.99% will apply, and 3% fee, minimum of $10, applies to balance transfers. The card has no annual fee. Fantastic. So you enjoy no annual fee while earning unlimited cash back on all purchases. Really good. And you can get even more rewards. So preferred rewards members, those members, they earn 25% to 75% more cash back on every purchase. That means what? It means that you could earn up to 2.62% cash back on every purchase. And you can see on the screen here, in case you are interested to become a preferred rewards member, you can see on the screen here, this is a program that allows you to explore benefits that grow with your balances. Okay, so you can access your link list to display the content for the 3 different rewards tiers. Okay, so you have the gold, the platinum, and the platinum honors. And I'm showing you also on the screen here, you can have the interest rates and fees summary. Okay, intro APR 0% for the first billing cycles, 15 billing cycles. Standard APR 13.99 to 23.99% variable, no annual fee. Balance transfer fee 3% of each transaction, or $10, whichever is greater. There is a 3% foreign transaction fee. Okay, so those applies to purchases made with the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card while abroad or shopping online through foreign merchants. So it's always great to think about which card to use if you're shopping online. Now let me talk to you about the rewards. And here is a big decision time. Do you currently have a credit card that offers you a cash back or some rewards? Talk to me. And are you satisfied with the rewards that you have on that particular card, or would you want to change? Because if you want to change, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card could be a great opportunity. Why? Because you can earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. There is no limit to the amount of cash back you can earn, and cash rewards do not expire. We love this feature. This is just wonderful. After earning, you can redeem. So cash rewards are very easy to redeem. So you can deposit cash rewards into your eligible Bank of America checking or savings account. You can credit the rewards into your eligible Merrill accounts including 529 accounts, and you have a statement credit to your credit card if that's what you want. And I'm showing you on the screen here, actually, this is a simulation of what you can earn. And you can see this is available on the Bank of America website. It is a great tool, folks. If you get a chance, I would say go ahead and really look through it. It's very good. It gives you information. You can see here that, for example, you can earn unlimited 1.5%. So let's say that you actually spend only you spend 5,000, for example. And if you spend, let's say you spend 5,000 every 3 months. So your cashback rewards in this scenario will be $75. So that's 1.5% cashback. And so you can earn more cashback. For example, you have $93.75 if you spend 25%. Okay, as a preferred rewards clients. Okay, and $112.50, which will equate to 2.25% cashback. This is if you were a platinum, and the rewards will go even higher if you are a platinum honors preferred rewards member. So you can see that based on the tier that you're in, you can earn more. Okay, now the platinum honors preferred rewards program is not open to everyone, but I just wanted to show you the possibilities. Let me talk to you now about the pros and cons, folks. We are speaking about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card, maximum limit $100,000. A credit score that can go as low as $550 if you have a strong multi-product relationship with Bank of America. So what are the pros and cons here? The pros: this card carries no annual fee. It has a decent sign-up bonus. You have 1.5% cash back. You have a flexible cashback redemption program, and you have some breathing room on interest charges, and you have a long get out of debt window. So the absence of annual fee is pretty good. The sign-up bonus is really good. Also, you get a $200 online cash rewards bonus after making at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. And this offer is only available online on select channels. You have 1.5% cash back. This is kind of good, all right? And you have flexible cashback redemptions. This is really good also because you can redeem for cashback as a deposit to an eligible Bank of America bank accounts, credit to Merrill accounts, or statement credit. You in terms of a breathing room, this is pretty good also because you get a 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers, and then the ongoing $13.99 to $23.99% variable APR. So this is really good. What about the disadvantages of this card? So the rewards redemption favor current Bank of America customers. So if you're not a BofA customer, you're not going to qualify for this card, okay? And one thing we have seen in our research is that other credit cards like the $0 annual fee Discover It Cashback and the $0 annual fee Chase Freedom Unlimited do not require you to redeem rewards with an in-house bank account from the issuer when you want to deposit. You can redeem rewards for deposits into qualifying bank accounts at other institutions. In addition, this cards earn 5% cashback in rotating quarterly categories on up to $1,500 spent per quarter when you activate, and all other purchases get 1% cashback. And another drawback for this card is that other cashback cards offer 2%. So Bank of America is not really that competitive here because while 1.5% cashback is the industry standards for rewards, it is still possible to get 2% cashback on a no annual fee card. For example, we have the $0 annual fee Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Offers an unlimited 2% cashback on all purchases, and it has some noteworthy incentives for new cardholders. We have actually covered this card extensively on another show, so please check it out. And a third drawback here is that the longer intro APR offers for purchases and balance transfers do exist. So even though Bank of America is offering 15 months, we have seen in our research that, for example, the $0 annual fee US Bank Visa Platinum Card offers 0% intro APR for 20 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers, and then the ongoing 1449 to 2449 variable APR. It has a balance transfer fee, 3% or $5 minimum, whichever is greater. And you also have the $0 annual fee, Citi Double Cash Card, 18 months balance transfer offer. It's a pretty good deal too. I want to talk to you now about security and features, folks. Let's talk about this card. So the one feature that we love with this card is that you are able to have access to your FICO score. So when you opt in, you can access your FICO score updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app. This is wonderful. Okay, and because if you know what your FICO is, you can make better credit decisions, better borrowing decisions. Okay, and one thing I also want to say here is that you can sign on to, if you want to sign up for this FICO score feature, you need to get into your online banking or mobile banking, and you need to enroll. Okay, you need to once you enroll, you will see all the key factors that are impacting your score. You can track your recent scores month to month and compare them to national averages, and you can learn about credit and strategies for keeping credit healthy and better money habits. And there are other features. Let me ask you a question. The card you currently have, does it offer a lot of security and expense monitoring features? Do you have those features? Is the card sophisticated enough? Because people think that those features that I'll be speaking about today are available at other cards. No, they're not the mainstream. They do happen, but they're not always the case. So I want you to think about it. This is big decision time. Does your card offer overdraft protection? If yes, that's pretty good. Does the card allow you to track and mitigate fraudulent activity by staying protected? What about contactless chip technology? This card offers that. Fantastic. This card also offers paperless statement option. So there's an option where you can reduce paper consumption by just having access to your statements electronically. This is really good. You also have with this card a digital wallet technology feature. So you can discover more ways to pay by adding your bank account, your Bank of America credit card to your mobile device than shopping in store or in-app using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. You also have online and mobile banking. This is really good. So you can access the Bank of America's online and mobile banking, and that's kind of good. And you also have account alerts. So you can stay on top of your balances and due dates. You can choose from several types of customer email or text alerts and let your phone tell you when payments are due and paid. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. I'm still having a conversation with you today about how to get first of all, this is a great card, a massive credit card from Bank of America. It's called the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Card, and the maximum limit here is $100,000. Okay. Credit score 675 to 850, but Bank of America can go as low as 550 if you have a multi-product relationship with Bank of America. Let's first talk about that. Let's first talk about the requirements. So first requirements, verifiable income, $36,000. That's gross income, $36,000. That's about $3,000, not about, that's $3,000 a month. Your DTI, which is actually your debt to income ratio, should be less than 34%. DTI stands, I'll explain that later on. You must be 18 years of age. You got to have stable employment and no active bankruptcy. How do you actually increase your approval odds? You have to enroll in preferred rewards. So there is no fee to join or participate in the program. So to become a preferred rewards member, you will need an active eligible Bank of America checking account and a 3-month combined average daily balance of $20,000 or more in qualifying Bank of America deposit accounts and or Merrill investment accounts. So once you have met those two requirements, you must then take action to enroll. Another way to increase your chances of being approved is to have an MPR with the bank, a multi-product relationship with the bank. Big decision time, big question for you. Do you currently have a relationship with Bank of America? Do you have an account there? 2 accounts, 3 accounts? Well, if you want to increase your chances of being approved, especially with bad or fair credit, you need to have at least 2 accounts or 3 accounts. And those have to be assets accounts. And you just said it here. Bank of America wants you to have a minimum average daily balance in the last 3 months of $20,000. So have a checking account, a savings account, and maybe an investment account with Merrill Lynch. Or you can have a CD, a certificate of deposits, okay? And you also need to have a steady source of income. At the end of the day, Bank of America cares a lot, and you can see on the screen here, folks. We're showing you on the screen here, Bank of America. You can see the constellation of products that they offer, okay? On the second screenshot, you can see here, they have an everyday checking account, savings account. They have investing, marry eligible guided investing, all this kind of stuff. You need to have also a steady source of income. Income is more important. Income is less important than cash. You need to have liquidity. Liquidity is very important, okay? And income is important, rather. I was about to say that income is more important than employment. So, and the DTI is your debt to income ratio. And this is the percentage of your gross monthly income that goes to paying your monthly debt payments. And you have to have at most 34%. Now, next, I want to talk to you about the application. Let's quickly go through the application here. I would say that, as I've said on other shows, it's also always very important to apply at a branch. Do not apply online. If you can apply on a branch, that's good. You can also apply over the phone, or if you received a mail solicitation, I would say just mail it in. Yeah, fill out the form and mail it back in. But I'm going to walk you through the application process online so you have an idea of what to expect. So first, you got to go to the cards page. The card is called the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. So that's the first step here. And then you have to click on signing and save time. But if you're not a customer, then you have to click on just apply. Next, you have to put your first name, your last name, your address, city, state, and zip code. Next, you have to put your primary phone number, your email address. This is important. You need to put your social. You need to indicate your citizenship status. Even if you are a foreigner, you can still qualify as long as you have a social security number or an ITIN, an individual tax identification number. Next, they want to know if you have a dual citizenship. You have to put your date of birth, your employment status, your occupation, how much you're making every year. Next, they want to know more about your employment, right? How you get your money. And this is through employment. How much you're paying every month for housing, whether you're owning or you are renting. And then if you want to add a card holder, or you want to transfer some balances, then you have to check the appropriate box. If not, you just move on. You read the terms and conditions. You click save and continue. Next, you can see here they want you to review your information one more time before. So you take some time. This is important, folks. This step is important because they're going to base their decision on your information. So review everything, and then once you are comfortable with the information, just click submit my application. And the system will take some time just to dig a little deeper to gather your information, and then it will give you a decision. So in our case, we got a rejection, a denial, because obviously we inputted the wrong data. Everything we put in was fictitious data, and this video is purely educational, so we're not going to risk our personal credit just for this video. So this is why we got rejected. But normally, if you put in all the info, you should get approved. Now, decision. So folks, the big question is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card right for you? This is a big decision time here. Do you think this is the right card for you? If yes, why? If no, why? It really depends. There is a constellation of factors you have to think about before choosing whether or not you should go for the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. This is a decent choice for loyal Bank of America customers. As I've said throughout the show, you gotta have a bank of at least one or two Bank of America accounts, checking, savings. So it's a great option if you're already a loyal Bank of America customer. It's also a great option if you want a low maintenance credit card that's very easy to manage. So ultimately, it packs valuable introductory offers and rewards, but it's possible to find better deals elsewhere. And I've spoken about other credit cards throughout the show. And so what are the pros and cons here? So pros, in our view, at a very high level, pros, no annual fee. You have an intro APR period of 15 months, even though I've said that you can get 20 months with US Bank and 18 months with Citibank, but 15 months is still okay. And they do have a new cardholder bonus offer. So the bonus is really good. And this is something that you can only get if you are a new cardholder. So this is at a high level, the pros. What about the cons? The cons, you have the best rewards are limited to certain customers. All right, I spoke to you about the 3 tiers of rewards programs. So yeah, and there are no bonus categories. And the card in some cases requires good to excellent credit. But again, if you're able to have an MPR and some good cash in your account, you can still qualify if you have a FICO score as low as 540, 545. So after reviewing everything and taking into account all the factors that we spoke about, we scored this card, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card, 9 over 10. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. Let me quickly recap what we spoke about. I gave you details about the card, the new Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. I spoke to you about the rewards, the pros and cons of this card, security and features, requirements, application, whether you should go for this card or not, and give you a recap now. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.